Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be doing another downspout extension. We're going to be running the downspouts on the left side of this house all the way out through the street, also picking up their sump pump line. Last week we did the neighbor's yard, so this whole right side of his house is completely dry. Now after we're done with this side, there'll be no water at all being able to shoot up and pile up here. Everything's just going to be surface water. As you can see, we already had the mark out come in. They had somebody else put in downspouts over here when they had the pavers done, but sadly, as you can see, that is very incorrect. At least they have the downspout adapter, but there's no Y clean out, and that black corrugated stuff is not good because it can end up crushing and falling apart. Plus, you can never get a perfect downhill grade on it. And as you can see, I mean, look at this. It's two different colors they ended up using as well. That does not look professional nor good at all. Here's the backyard part. I'm gonna be taking this downspout, running it all the way along the inside, coming up to his AC unit, 90ing out, 90ing over, going straight here between the posts. There's his sump pump line. We'll be tying that in and everything will be going out to the street. All right, here we go, all piped up from the back left corner. Runs all the way down here, around his AC system. As you can see, everything is going nicely level to downhill. All the way. We tied in the sump pump so that way there will be no more water just accumulating on top of his yard, and it goes all the way down to the front. And here's the front of the house finished. We have the pop up there under the sidewalk. We found out the cable line was actually under the middle of the sidewalk, so that was a bit of a pain. We got this perfectly full downhill, so the water will come out and rush down. And over here, since we had to be deeper, we went ahead and just 90'd this into a T into the top of it. As you can see, that's nice and level, but it won't matter because once it starts building up, it's going to shoot down, and that's extra head pressure to push to the front. Next video, you'll see everything work. And now we fill it up from the back of the yard so we can see it come all the way out of the front. All right, and after the water goes down, everything pops up, and the water facilitates to the street. That is it. Another job well done.